Many who are starting their own small cafe are thinking that the struggle ends the moment they open their cafe. Pero actually hindi. It's just the beginning. And I kid you not, I am not here to scare you if you want to open your own small cafe, but I'm here to share to you things you should be prepared of if you want to have a small but profitable coffee business. Remember that the struggle does not end with just your planning, recipe creation, tasting, training, etc. But the moment you open your cafe, the real battle begins. And to be equipped with this battle, you should have strong foundations for your marketing for your small cafe. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing to you marketing tips for your small cafe. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. First marketing tip for your small cafe or for your coffee shop business would be, of course, number one, leverage free online marketing tools. And I could not emphasize this any further. Please put your businesses in social media or in any other online platforms. Nung nag-pandemic, this one taught the businesses the hard way. Kasi yung mga businesses na hindi naglagay ng business nila online weren't ready to serve online and have that market reach online. And the advantage of putting your business in social media or online would be you would have more customer reach. And if you have more customer reach, you would have more chances to increase your sales. And also, if noon, no, ang hirap mag-market kasi kailangan mong magpa-print ng mga brochures, kailangan mong magpa-put sa newspapers, magpa-add sa radyo, no? Now, it's a lot easier to advertise kasi we already have social media. And it's actually free. Apart from, of course, no, the ads with regards to Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you can actually still market without boosting in the ads. Pero kung ads, that's another story naman, which I also teach to my students in the Small Coffee Business Academy. So if you haven't yet, please put your business in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, depende nasan yung customers, nasan yung target market nyo. And make sure that your business account is searchable. So kunwari, if your business is located in Cebu, make sure that when they search cafe in Cebu, lalabas yung pangalan ng cafe yun. Again, put your business online and make sure it is searchable. Second tip, when you do marketing for your small cafe or for your coffee shop business, is make sure you touch emotions with every post you do in social media. So somewhat related siya sa first tip, no, na putting your business online or in social media. Apart from that is your posts must be touching their emotions. Now, I share this to my students, no, in one of the lessons in the Small Coffee Business Academy. Now, there is actually this thing we call know, like, and trust factor in marketing. So people actually buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. And for you to be able to do that in social media, kaya nga tinatawag siyang social media, kasi you are there to socialize, make friends, and connect with people. Now, what most businesses are doing kasi with their social media is just simply selling. Post today is about selling. Second post by the next day is also about selling. Well, there's nothing wrong. Kaso, we might be too salesy and sometimes yung customer is parang naiirita. Kasi paulit-ulit yung sinasabi mo, buy now, buy now, buy now. Diba? So how does this work? For example, kasi it's social media. So it's to socialize and make friends. So for example, you saw your friend sa mall. Okay? And the first time you saw each other sa mall, sabi mo, uy, I'm actually selling already cookies. The price of my cookies is like this and like that. Would you want to buy one? Yun yung unang sinabi mo, di ba? Nung una kayong nakita. And then, the next day, or perhaps let's say 3 days after, nakita ulit kayo sa church naman. Tapos, pagkita mo sa church, binantahan mo na ulit. Uy, bili ka ng cookies ko, naka-buy one take one ako ngayon, blah, 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 blah. Then, the next day, nakita naman kayo, saan ba? Let's say, sa grocery, di ba? Tapos habang bumibili siya ng mga kailangan nila sa bahay, is andun ka na naman saying to her, to him, to please buy your cookies. So kung ikaw yung friend na yon, no, na laging binibentahan ng cookies every time you see each other, what would you feel? Diba? Parang, ano ba, nakakairita. It's the same thing with businesses posting every day with just simply saying how much their product is, where to buy, and how to buy. So yung mga puro buy now, promo, medyo nakakairita yon. And remember, people buy with the know, like, and trust factor. So how will they like you if yung post mo is puro na lang hingi ng sale? So there are different ways on how you do posting in social media. It's actually what you call content marketing for small cafes. And I share that also in my Small Coffee Business Academy to my students. So if you want to be part of my online mentorship program, ito yung links, guys. O, diba, segue. So actionable with this tip is look into your social media. Ano ba yung mga latest post nyo? No? Before you ask for a sale, please give muna kayo ng value sa customers nyo. And after that, you ask for sale, you ask na bumili sila or mag-like sila, etc., etc. Remember that they should know you, like you, and trust you para bumili sila sa iyo. Next marketing tip for small cafes or for your coffee shop business would be is to stay consistent with your posts and with your marketing. So, hindi naman sa stay consistent as in yung sabi ko kanina na parang always yung mag-post ng buy now, di ba? When I say stay consistent is make sure in your social media accounts or in your social media pages and when you do marketing, no? Consistent siya. Let's say, you have to decide na gusto mo bang every day, gusto mo bang every other day. But for me, if you're still starting out as a business, I really suggest do it every day. Ako, what we do is somewhat we do it every weekdays or sometimes every other day in our business. Bakit? Kasi when you say consistent, you basically have na that brand awareness and that brand recognition. So sometimes, di ba, when we buy something or when we want to buy something, the moment we saw that thing na binibenta, at first, ala, gusto ko to, pero sige, consider ko to, bibilhin ko to one of these days. Di ba? So when they saw it first, hindi usually bibili sila agad. Sometimes, yung sale happens on the second, third, fourth, or fifth time they saw your post. That is why, very important that you stay consistent para maalala ka ng customers. Because if you are not consistent, also, in social media, yung mga algorithm ng Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, they somewhat value those that are consistently posting. So, actionable with this tip is check your social media. Kailan mo ba gustong mag-post? Kaya mo ba ni everyday? Or if not, pwedeng every other day. I also share this tip to my students na actually, hindi naman, if gusto mong everyday, tapos wala kang time every morning to post, you can actually do a scheduled post sa iyong Facebook and sa Instagram. Again, stay consistent para maalala ka ng tao in case kaya na nilang bumili or sweldo nila and then they remember your coffee shop. Next tip for marketing your small cafe or your coffee shop business would be make sure yung mga promos nyo are still profitable. So I know marami kayong mga naiisip na mga promo, let's say buy one, take one, just to really entice people to buy or perhaps discount, 50% discount, blah, blah, blah. And even in your pricing. But one thing lang talaga na sinasabi ko dito is don't just go after the sale. Make sure yung promo mo or yung sale mo is also profitable. So how can you do that? Make sure lang that when you do discounts, after the discounts, meron ka pa ring profit. Hindi yung parang after discount, parang pinamigay mo na yung kape mo. Also, when you do buy one, take one, one thing na talaga with buy one, take one is make sure the take one would be a product na somewhat low cost sa iyo. 'Di ba? Kasi 'di ba, sa ating mga drink sa cafe, hindi lahat same ng cost, right? To make. So it would be not that efficient or economical or profitable sa cafe mo if nag-buy one, take one ka, let's say, ng isang drink na masyadong malaki yung cost. Let's say, frap, di ba? Instead of having just the Americano. Yung frap, mas mahal gawin, mas mahirap gawin, tapos yun pa yung binay one, take one mo. So again, at the end of it, every time you do promos, make sure it's still profitable. Kasi di ba, I know marketing is like having a sale. Pero parang wala siyang sense if after having the sale, ang dami mong ang customers, pero lugi ka naman. So always check your marketing promos. Make sure it's still profitable. Because again, the goal ng marketing natin is for us to have profit in our small cafe business. Next marketing tip for small cafes or for your coffee shop business would be also look into and learn how you can do Facebook or Instagram ads for your small coffee shop. I know, medyo perhaps anything na binabayaran nyo, sometimes parang ayaw mong gawin, for the marketing. And I mentioned in number one that go for the free marketing tools. However, kasi when you leverage Facebook ads, no, and Instagram, it would also help you reach the right customers for your coffee shop business. Kasi the data of Facebook and Instagram with regards to its users are very efficient. Like, for example, gusto mong mag-ads to people within a specific area para ma-recognize yung cafe mo. Facebook can do that. Compared to in the old way of marketing, di ba? When we want to have brand awareness sa ating product, we have to do newspapers. We have to do billboards. Kaso, it's expensive, mahal siya. Tapos hindi mo pa alam, no? Hindi mo pa alam sino yung nakita ng billboard, and you don't have a way to follow up to those people who saw the billboard. Compared to leveraging Facebook ad and Instagram ads, is pwede kang pumili kung sino yung makakita ng ads mo. Let's say this would be people within this specific area and within this specific age na range. Kasi sila yung ideal customers mo. And that's how powerful the Facebook and the Instagram ads are. So, magkano ba siya? You can actually start for as low as 50 pesos per day when you do your Facebook and your Instagram ads. So, easy lang talaga siya. Okay, so again, if you want to learn more about it, I share that in my online academy, Small Coffee Business Academy. That's my only online mentorship program for starting a small but profitable cafe. Actually, not only starting, but building and maintaining and marketing a small but profitable cafe. And I also do monthly Zoom consultation calls sa lahat ng estudyante ko. So yeah, you will have direct mentorship from me as well. Next tip for marketing your small cafe or coffee shop business would be is to identify and deep down on your target market profile. So in all of the advices that I mentioned earlier, lahat yun, hindi yun gagana kung hindi mo alam sino yung target market mo for your coffee shop business. I know it's a lot easier to say na I just want to sell coffee to everybody. Where it's quite different when you have a specific target market. It's a lot easier to decide on the kinds of product you will be selling, on the kinds of promos that you would be doing, no? Lahat ng mga decisions mo sa business mo would be a lot easier when you have a specific target market. Sino ba? Mga estudyante ba? Mga nagtatrabaho ba in a specific industry? Etc. etc. So deep down on your target market. Again, that's also one lesson that I discuss in the Small Coffee Business Academy. If you're in Cebu, I also have a face-to-face training that's at the Mezzanine Cafe, our cafe here in Cebu. If you're in Cebu, so magkita tayo, enroll kayo sa aming face-to-face training. If hindi naman, I hope to see you online via Zoom with our Small Coffee Business Academy. Hope this video helps in marketing your small cafe, and hope you'll be able to reach more customers para you'll have more sales for your coffee business. I have here a playlist of anything and everything about coffee business. So I'll see you in these videos. Bye!